what's going on, my people, and welcome to the Sn95 Power Channel. I am meeting a supporter today. He's got a Sn95 that I'm going to check out. Now, I'm curious about this is because similar setup to mine, although his is an NPI and this is a PI, but we're both running automatics, both convertibles. But he's got full exhaust and a 410 gear. Now, the channel sponsor, Gears Auto Works, gave us a 410 gear. We did not install it yet due to these whack gas prices, but I'm kind of curious to see how this 2-valve motor reacts to a 410 gears.
Let's bring them on, ladies and gentlemen.
All right, I'm here with my man Anthony, and just talk to him. He's no stranger to like high horsepower cars. He was telling me about a Skylark with a big block, but you came to the Mustang side, huh?
Yeah, I crossed over for a little while.
No, not for a little while, man. No, you're here, you gotta stay.
Yeah, I'm enjoying the Mustang though, man. Really are.
But I'm intrigued because this is, you said 97?
97.
And so in 97, Ford had this thing in the motors. So it's a 4.6 2-valve motor. But in 1999, they improved the cylinder heads. So these have like the lesser horsepower cylinder heads than compared to the white one I have. But what Anthony did is he's got a 410 gear in this thing. And it already feels stronger than our car down low. I can feel it. It definitely will pull you back. It sounds good, man. Yeah, it sounds real good. I love the way it sounds.
Thank you, man.
And to say like you still got the cats and stuff on?
All 6 of them.
Yeah.
I didn't know this thing had so many. You got 2 up.
You can turn left. Making me a big believer out of these 410 gears, man. Like seriously.
You like that?
I really like it. Because I don't know, because like I said, you have these gears, so for that white car, it's really the takeoff. It's real slow on the takeoff, but then once it gets up in the RPMs, it really just like starts pulling.
Right.
And it just keeps straight.
Yeah, this, like I said, this one is much quicker off the line.
Yeah, that 410 makes a big difference, man.
You can feel it.
Yeah, I can feel it. I can feel that.
But see, I bet it's nothing like that red car of yours though.
Yeah, but that's like apples and bananas though.
Okay,
you know?
okay. All right. Yeah.
You know, the red car's got the turbo on it.
That's what I want.
And I think a turbo on these cars are like made in heaven, like a match made in heaven. You can make a left.
So if I put a turbo on here, it'll be all right?
Yeah, man, it'll hurt people's feelings.
For real?
Oh, absolutely. For what you get, it's really not that bad.
Is that what they install?
That's for all the parts.
That's for the parts.
That's for the parts.
Okay, now who put it on?
I mean, if you're a handyman, it's pretty easy for you to put it on yourself.
Really?
Yeah.
You ain't got to change no cams, no nothing.
Nope. It's just bolting stuff onto the motor, just like you changing the headers.
Okay, then what about the rear end? I heard you said you don't like a big end.
No, I would change it out. To be quite honest with you, if you got the turbo kit. Like them Dodge boys, you be hurting them Dodge boys' feelings all the time. Oh yeah, those 392s, them not Hellcats, but those Hemis.
Yeah.
Oh, I wouldn't stand a chance.
Like this one here?
Like that one right there. Yeah, I like these gears, man. I was a little apprehensive about how it would feel, but it feels good.
I mean, the RPM 410.
Right. So if you're cruising, say about 70 miles per hour, what kind of RPM are you?
I'm right under 3.
Right under 3. Okay. A good trade-off. What you think?
I love it. That's hey, when I found out, cause I was on the line reading up, and everybody saying go with the 410, not the 373 at all. Like you say, I read up on some 456s. I said that's gonna be like I'll never get on the expressway.
Right.
So the 410, they said everybody said with this car with this Mustang go to 410.
So that was pretty fun, getting a chance to feel a automatic with a 410 gear. I'm definitely on board. The only problem with putting 410s in Project Kendra is we put this car on the road. You know, we've driven 16 hours to Mustang Week with this thing. We drive down to Ponies and the Smokies. We drive all over with this car, and I'm afraid that 410s might not be a good fit. I don't know, maybe I might grab a second rear end and just put the 410s in that, and whenever we make these long road trips, I'll just swap the rear end. That's always an idea. But I really appreciate Anthony coming out, hanging out with him. Had a great time. It was good to feel how honestly I've never been in a NPI 4.6, so there is a big difference, especially on the top end with those cars. But I think I talked him into getting a turbo kit. So hey, I appreciate y'all rock with me on this video. Make sure you tell a couple of people about the channel. I appreciate your time, and God bless.